In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quotes in QuickBooks Online efficiently and effectively. We'll walk through each step in detail to ensure you're confident and ready to customize your quotes for clients or projects. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to begin by clicking on the Sign In button. If you're already logged into QuickBooks Online, this should be familiar territory for you. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the New button. Clicking on this will open up a range of options for creating different types of transactions. It's a handy feature that can serve multiple needs, but today, our focus will be on selecting Estimate. Choosing Estimate is crucial because quotes are essentially estimates that allow you to convey anticipated costs to your customers before finalizing any sale. This is a great way to set clear expectations and avoid misunderstandings down the road. Now let's get into personalizing the quote. Start by adding the customer's name and their email address. This step is important because it ensures that your quote reaches the correct individual and makes it clear who authorized the transaction on their end. Personalization like this can also make your communications feel more professional and tailored. Next up, it's vital to set an estimate date and an expiration date. The estimate date marks when this quote becomes valid, setting the starting point for your offer. Conversely, the expiration date informs your customer of the time frame they have to make a decision. These dates help manage expectations and provide clarity about the duration of your offer's validity. Moving on, the next key step is to add the products or services. Here, you should specify what exactly you're quoting for, including any quantities or descriptions necessary to clarify expectations. This is where you can really make the quote informative and transparent for your customer, ensuring all details are clearly communicated. After you've filled in these sections, don't forget you have the option to add attachments. Attachments can be invaluable, particularly if you have additional details or supporting documents that your customer might find helpful. Once all the relevant information is included, it's time to click on Save and Send. This action organizes the quote for you to review and prepare for emailing. At this stage, customization of the subject and body of the email becomes important. You want these sections to clearly communicate to the customer, making sure they understand what the email concerns from the subject line and highlighting any key information in the body. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, click Send. This will dispatch the quote directly to the customer's inbox, marking the finish line in our quotation creation process. Remember, estimates are non-posting transactions, meaning they do not affect your accounting records until they are converted to invoices. So there you have it, a complete guide to generating quotes in QuickBooks Online. Practice these steps to enhance your efficiency and professionalism whenever preparing customer estimates.